Some people think cash flow is just a line on a spreadsheet, numbers in neat little columns. But in reality, cash flow is more like plumbing. And here's the truth no one likes to admit. Most businesses have leaks they can't even see. Meet Maya. From the outside, her business was a success story. Sales were up, her brand was getting attention. On paper, she was winning, but in real life, she was chasing cash. Checking her bank account every morning like it was a lottery ticket. Sending just following up emails to clients who were late on payments. And lying awake at night wondering how she was going to cover payroll and keep the lights on. Here's what Maya, and so many business owners, don't realize at first. Cash flow isn't about how much you earn. It's about when money comes in and how fast it goes out. Think about it. You can sell $50,000 worth of products this month, but if your customers take 60 days to pay you and your bills are due in 30 days, you're stuck. That's the leak. And leaks aren't just about customers paying late. They're in your timing, your tools, and even your habits. Maya decided enough was enough. She didn't want to just earn more money, she wanted to actually keep more of it in her business. So she flipped the script. She negotiated payment terms with her clients, shorter payment windows, partial deposits up front. She tightened expenses by cutting costs that didn't directly grow revenue. She focused on collecting payment faster and spending slower. Within 3 months, she wasn't begging for cash anymore. She was controlling it. Maya learned that cash flow isn't luck, it's discipline, it's mindset. It's about making smarter moves with the money that's already flowing through your business, before you even think about earning more. So here's your challenge. For the next 30 days, I want you to track 2 things. 1, the exact day money comes in. 2, the exact day money goes out. If you keep a track of this, you'll start to see the leaks. And once you see them, you can fix them. If you control the flow, then you can control your future. If this woke something up in you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on TikTok, because this is just the beginning of the Cash Flow Mastery series. The sooner you take control of your cash flow, the sooner your business stops running you and starts working for you.